Hello everyone. So today we are going to learn how to use Canva to record video. So once you go to canva.com website, you can actually look at the login details, which I will use mine. So you can use your MO email, which will give you access to Canva education. If not, you can use your own NHS email as well. So once we are logged in, let's take a look. So over here, you can see a plethora of details over here. You can take a look from logo, Instagram, business, poster, and just to see the wide range of design that is available. The more common ones are usually poster, flyer, and perhaps even presentation. Let's scroll down to see what else they have. So this is in the main menu. We have trending education templates, you have education presentation, Google Classroom headers. Looks interesting. So you have education infographics, lesson plans, class schedule, math worksheets, class poster. You have a Zoom background, colorful resume for the secondary 4, and you have science worksheet. So of all this, today we're going to look at how to create video, which is over here. We can click here. It will be over here. There you go. So let's take a look. We click on video. So creating video using Canva is quite straightforward in the sense that the template is already there for you. So you start with app, open Canvas, but if you're lost, you can always look at over here under template. You can take a look at all the available options. Okay, that is really a lot. It just goes on and on. So for the purpose of this demonstration, we will just choose one, which is over here and over here. Educational video. I'll click on this. You'll give me all different 12 pages of the kind of video that I want to see. So I'm going to apply the pages over here. If you take a look over here, it looks like a presentation, a PowerPoint, but actually it's a video. Over here, you have different animation. You have the color, which is over here, the color. So if you click on the outside, then you click on pen. So there are different effects, which you can see when you put your cursor over it, like pop out, baseline, storm, block seems quite professional, and fade. These are my favorite ones. Let's try pen for this. It does not look as if it was just animation, but when we can combine, you can see the total amount of time taken for the video to play. So let's take a look at the video. It will render for a while, so let's go. Okay, so for the purpose of demonstration, we'll stop here, and over here you can see this icon where you can download the video and you can actually close the presentation. So it's important that the words correspond with the images here, and if you click on the picture here, it can be changed with other elements. So there's over here there's photograph, which you can change to be static. Video will be the ones that non-static. Under the Canva education, you can actually choose. So let's say I would like this. And over here you can see that it's free, so I don't have to pay any money. So I can drag and I drop. And there you go. It's as simple as that. So now we have an aerial shot of the place, which is fantastic. So let's take a look at the front video and how it looks. But obviously, since it's video, it'll take some rendering because all of this will be on the cloud. Okay, for the purpose of this demonstration, we can actually change the song, which you click over here. Over here you can see the soundtrack, which is over here, which you can edit and trim according to your liking based on how long you want the video. So this is around 2 minutes and 3 seconds worth of video, but this entire video is only 1 minute and 12, so you might want to trim this so to fit exactly into the timeline. Of course, this is optional, and once you're ready, you can save it. So for example, I'd like to say educational video, and I press enter, and once you do so, it will save, or otherwise you can click file and you save. On the other hand, you can actually look at all these videos and listen to them, and you can actually drag and you drop it, then you add the video. There you go. So you can actually drag and drop this music into the video, and this will be part of your soundtrack as well. You can click download after this, click MP4, all pages, and download, and you have 1 minute and 12 video. With that, I'd like to end, and thank you for your time.